Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix could not sign in and internet connection is required to sign in. So guys, when you have sign in your Apple ID on your App Store in your iPhone or iPad and facing this type of issue again and again, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to go back on your home screen, and guys now you have to open your settings. And guys, first of all you have to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection on your iPhone. So guys, if you have already connected with any Wi-Fi, you have to click on your Wi-Fi name, and guys you have to forget your network, and after this you need to reconnect it again. And if you are using mobile data, make sure that you have selected for your 5G network on your device. And guys now you have to scroll it down. From here you have to click on general and click on VPN and device management. So guys, if you have connected any kind of VPN here, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this you have to go back, and guys you have to reset your network settings. Maybe there is network problem on your iPhone. So guys, when you have reset your network settings, your problem will be fixed. And guys, after doing this you have to select your region according to your country. And guys, after doing this you have to go back, and from here you have to select your date and time on automatically. And guys now you have to go back on your home screen. And guys, after doing all these methods you have to click on screen time and scroll it down. From here you have to click on content and privacy restrictions and turn it off. And guys you have to go back. And guys, after going to back you have to make sure that you have signed in your Apple ID on your iPhone. And guys now after all these settings you have to go back, and guys now you have to open your App Store here. And guys, after opening your App Store you have to click on main profile icon, and guys here you need to enter your Apple ID again. So guys, simply you have to write here your Apple ID. And guys, here you need to enter your passcode. So guys, wait for a few seconds for entering my passcode. And guys, after entering your passcode you have to click on sign in. And guys, you have to wait for some seconds. So guys, maybe it takes long time on your iPhone. It depends on your internet connection. And guys, now you can see my Apple ID has been logged in successfully without any interruption. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.